Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will show the administrator how to upload a rate sheet. DecisionLender 4 allows the administrative user to associate a rate sheet with a loan type. Rate sheets house the lender's rates and the conditions for those rates. Rate sheets are created and uploaded into DecisionLender via a spreadsheet. A template will be supplied to you by your TCI project coordinator. Uploading rate sheets in DecisionLender is the responsibility of your company's system administrator. The system administrator is the person who controls the system settings for your DecisionLender site. Since rate sheets are associated to a loan type should be set up in your DecisionLender site before rate sheets are created. To begin, log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the landing page. Click on the Setup tab. Click on the Decisioning. Now click on Rate Sheets. The Rate Sheets page will display. To create a new rate sheet, click on the plus sign next to Rate Sheets. In the Loan Type field, choose the loan type from the drop-down list. This would be the loan type you want to associate these rates to. Give the rate sheet a name. You may enter a description in the description field if you desire. This field is optional. If this rate sheet will be your default rate sheet, click the Default checkbox. Once you check Default, the Start Date and End Date fields are grayed out. The default rate sheet will become active when all other rate sheets expire. The default rate sheet will become active when there is no other rate sheet. Another way to think about default would be your base rate sheet, providing you the opportunity to run special promotional pricing for a select period of time by adding an additional rate sheet. If this rate sheet is not going to be a default, you must enter a start date and an end date, which will represent the time period you want these rates to be active. The next step is to upload the actual spreadsheet. Click the blue Upload button. Browse to the desired file and click Open. Now click the green Upload button. And DecisionLender will upload the information from the spreadsheet. If all of the fields in your rate sheet do not match all of the fields in DecisionLender, you will see unmapped fields from your rate sheet in the Mapping section. You will need to complete the mapping to the DecisionLender tag names. Click the blue Show Object Model button and a box will display which will list the DecisionLender object field names. You may have to open the list by clicking on the right pointing triangle next to Rate Sheet Entry. The list of fields will display. To map the fields, you must drag the object names from this list to the Field Name from Schema column. For example, I will drag Amount Financed 1 to Loan Range From, Amount Financed 2 to Loan Range 2, FICO Score 1 to Score From, FICO Score 2 to Score 2, LTV 1 to LTV From, LTV 2 to LTV 2, Year 1 to Vehicle Year From, Year 2 to Vehicle Year 2, Term 1 to Term From, Term 2 to Term 2, and finally, Rate to Final Rate. Once you have mapped all of the required fields for your rate sheet, click the Save button. And a message will display saying the rate sheet was uploaded successfully. How to modify rate sheets. From the Rate Sheets page, select the loan type from the Filter by Loan Type drop-down list to display the rate sheet you wish to modify. Click on the pencil icon in the Action column next to the desired rate sheet. On the Edit Rate Sheet page, make your changes. You may edit any field in the Configuration section or on the spreadsheet itself. If you wish to add an additional tier to your rate sheets, click the plus sign next to Rate Sheets, and an additional row will appear at the bottom of the rate sheet. Click the Save button to save your changes. The user will receive a message that the rate sheet was saved. Click the Back button to return to the Rate Sheets page. To upload a new rate sheet spreadsheet to an existing rate sheet profile, click the Upload icon next to the desired rate sheet. This new spreadsheet will replace the previous one. Click the blue Upload button to browse to and select the new spreadsheet. Now click the green Upload button, and DecisionLender will upload the information from the spreadsheet. Notice, now that we have mapped the spreadsheet columns to DecisionLender the first time we uploaded a rate sheet, DecisionLender has already mapped the column headings to the DecisionLender field names for us for this upload. Click the Save button to save your changes. You will receive a message that the rate sheet uploaded successfully. To delete a rate sheet, select the loan type from the Filter by Loan Type drop-down list to locate the rate sheet you wish to delete. Click on the Delete icon, which is the trash can, located in the Action column. You will receive a message that the rate sheet was deleted successfully. To download an existing rate sheet, select the loan type from the Filter by Loan Type drop-down list. Click on the green Download icon. This action will automatically open the rate sheet in Excel, allowing the user to make changes and upload a new rate sheet if needed. The Export icon allows a user to export an existing rate sheet. This function will export the rate sheet configuration details into a JSON file. This is mainly used in conjunction with our account configuration tool. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.